Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your speaker JBL Go Essential 2. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on, so go to the settings, Bluetooth, and if it's not, just turn on it, and after that, tap on your speaker at the device list. And we should have connection, we have it, but if it didn't help you, we should perform a soft reset. So, press one time at the power button to turn off your speaker, and after that, press one time again at this power button to turn on your speaker, and it will reconnect to your phone. So, again, we should have connection, and we have it. If it also didn't help you, we should remove and add this speaker. So, click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Don't forget to click pair new device on your Android, and after that, you need to press one time at the Windows button to enter pairing mode, to Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode. We can see it at the device list, so tap on it, and we did it. And if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset. To perform a hard reset, firstly, make sure that your speaker is turned on, and after that press at the same time Bluetooth button and volume up button, until this LED light right here at the top is turned off. Here we go, and firstly we need to remove the speaker from your phone. So information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also, pair new device on your Android, and after that, press one time at the power button. After a hard reset, this speaker enters to pairing mode automatically, so we can see it at the device list, and just tap on it to add it. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!